Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with MrDan. This afternoon, we're going to be making a quick, easy recipe that I've been wanting to do. We're going to make Zoodle spaghetti, and that's going to be with the regular spaghetti sauce. I've already zoodled them up. My noodles are zoodled. And I got me some mushrooms to mix in with my spaghetti sauce. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so here we are. I've got a pan heating up right now. I sprayed it with some olive oil in the pan so nothing would stick, hopefully. I got me my homemade mushrooms here. Got me some Parmesan cheese that I used earlier. And I got me some MrDan tomato basil sauce. That's good sauce. And I have in here my my zucchini that I zoodled. And I've been having it drain, as you can see. So I'm going to put this over here right now. This water level is right up to the bottom of there. Okay. And over here I've got this is going to be my pan for my Zoodles. Okay, and this is going to go pretty quick, so just hang on. I already know I'm going to be making more sauce than I need. This here is 25 ounces. So it says, but I'm not going to pour the whole thing in there. You can hear my pan spattering a little because it's pretty well warm. Okay, I did maybe half, maybe here I'll do a little more. Because I'm not going to go crazy with the sauce on my Zoodles. I'm not a saucy person, so, well, don't take that the wrong way, but, I just don't like a lot of sauce on my regular spaghetti. And I don't like them on my Zoodles. Okay, so while we got that heating up, let me get one of my spatulas here. I'll use this one. Okay, we're going to get this all nice and warmed up. Oh, let me see. You should be able to see it. Yeah, really can't see how much is in there, but it's not that much sauce in here. Okay, but there's enough in here to do what I want to do. And we're going to put some of my homemade mushrooms in here. Not a whole lot, because we don't want to overpower the Zoodles. Besides that, I don't want to make these again too soon. I only got one more container in there, but I do need to make them because we went to Sam's the other day, and just like always, we see something. So they looked terrific, these mushrooms that we got. They also come in one container where I normally buy 4. And so anyhow, we're warming this up. I've got it on really low. I don't want to really burn anything. But boy, it smells delicious. That MrDan sauce, we've used that before. It's an organic sauce. One time we bought it by accident, but that's all that Sprouts had at the time, and I wanted some spaghetti sauce. So, and it was like BOGO, buy one, get one kind of deal. Okay, so that being said, let me take you over here real quick and show you just how much liquid came out of those zucchini. And that's from 4 zucchinis that I sliced and diced, and that's these over here. I'm going to be putting those through the paper towel thing, or maybe a regular towel here in a minute, drain them out. Okay, I decided to not get another dish towel all green, but what we're doing here, I've got double paper towels on the bottom and double paper towels on the top, and you can see there's still a heck of a lot of water in here. See how wet that is? But, yep. I'm just showing you how much water is really, really, truly in these. And you want to get as much as you can out on account of, that's what, when you do stuff that's got a lot of water in there, that's going to cook, that's going to be moisture that's cooking, and it's going to get mushy. And we don't want no mushy noodles, right? Because these things, when they're done, you can tell everybody, oh, that's like spaghetti noodles that we colored green, huh? So this is a lot of liquid here. I don't know if you can. Hey, doesn't matter. We'll get our point across one way or the other. All right. So I'm gonna do is try to transfer this mess to that mess, huh? Put that on there. Pick up some of my noodles that I'm dropping everywhere. Throw those on top of here. This will be the last time we do this. Whatever moisture's in there, I guess, is going to stay, huh? Okay, so now, again, I'm just trying to get as much of this here moisture out of here as I can. Yep. Still, there's a lot of wet in there. But I'm not going to do no more. Hopefully it works. Okay? So you always make sure you get the moisture out. Okay, so it's about heating up the pan here. I'm going to put maybe a tablespoon. That's not even a tablespoon. It's like a teaspoon. I just want to basically coat the bottom. I don't want these things getting too oily. Okay, so now I transfer everything back into my colander. I was looking at something today. I was looking at my smart news basically, and they had a thing running through there that there's a TikTok video out that some girl wants to show everybody that they haven't been using the colander right. I don't know if we have or not. I mean, normally I put a colander right back over the bowl or over the pan. If I'm trying to save something. But most people, I mean, when I was a kid, they always used the colander. It went right into the sink. But I guess we didn't know about, if you want certain things to happen with your spaghetti sauce, as it were, reserve some of your starch water from your spaghetti noodles. It helps thicken them up. I don't know. I can tell you what my grandma used to do, that's all. Okay, so what we're trying to do here, like I said, this is a quick and easy recipe. Now, if you guys don't have a zoodler, or a spiralizer, as it were, Amazon does have them pretty cheap. They got a handheld one, looks like a pencil sharpener. It's only like $5 or $6. Then they got another one it's got suction cups. You push it to the table and hand crank it all. I happened to get lucky. My wife was nice to me one day. I didn't even know she was doing it. And got me the KitchenAid attachment, because I got a KitchenAid that I use all the time. But yeah, this is just enough for me and her for tonight. We're gonna, that's 4 zucchinis, but by the time it cooks down a little bit, it's gonna shrink some or decrease in the, won't be as much as it is in the pot right now. My sauce is basically done. I'm stirring it now as I speak to you guys. Steamed up just nice. It smells terrific. Now we just gotta wait for these here puppies. Okay, you can see here it start to sizzling, huh? All we want to do is really just warm through these. I don't want to cook too much. But if you look, these things look just like spaghetti. Look at the size of them bad boys. I'll tell you. I have too much fun when I'm doing this kind of stuff. Maybe I should have went to school and been a chef, huh? I don't know. They got some online courses, but I think I'm too old to do it. It's getting into that now. But I think I cook pretty good. There's when you go to chef school though, they teach you, the science of everything. Why this does this, why this reaction, do you get this reaction, do you get this when you do this? A lot of people sit there, oh, what did I do? I don't know. Yeah, the chef could tell you what you've done. They know a lot, different things, different techniques than a regular home cook. Even me, I've been learning stuff as I go along. Sometimes I don't do it right. I ain't gonna tell nobody I didn't do it right. As long as it tastes good, I'm good. Yeah, but yeah, I've been cooking a long time. I'm gonna get me a fork here and taste test this, make sure it's not too hot yet. But I do want it warm. I want it kind of hot actually. I don't want to burn it. I don't want to shrivel it up too much. And my sauce, like I said, it's cooking just right. Use this fork, huh? Let's see if we get a little piece here. Watch, I'll pick one of the biggest damn noodles in here. Huh. Oh, warming up just right. See, because you want to try to maintain a little bit of that crunch. Now you notice I haven't, when I make my zoodles, I don't put no salt and pepper in there really, because I figure I only put a little bit of salt in the beginning when I'm trying to get the moisture out of them. But see, that's a lot what you got going on here right now. Is all the steam you see, that's cooking out some of the moisture that's in there. Okay. I think I'm going to plate this up real quick, and we'll show you what it looks like, and we'll have it meet you at the taste test table, okay? All right. Okay, so we're at the taste test table here. Now here comes the cat. We have Elmo wanting to get a little taste of this. This looks delicious. Look at that plate. Okay. So we'll put Elmo on the side here. He tried to abscond with some of my noodles. Okay. I try to make this look like a little presentable here, but these noodles are kind of big. Okay. Now that is a great dish. That sauce, that Muir Glen, Muir, but it's just great on. If you gave this to your kids, seriously, I don't think that they would know. You just tell them you did something with the spaghetti. There's something with the zoodles, with the noodle zoodles or the zucchini noodles, that probably tricks your palate into thinking that you're eating real noodles. I mean, like I said, I like them with a little bit of a crunch to them still, but I mean, the flavoring that's there, once you mix like this, to me tastes just like a regular spaghetti dinner. I know you're going to think I'm crazy, but it's delicious. That being said, I got to get going. I got stuff to do. So let's get to this without further ado. When out and about, cover up, protect yourself as well as others. Okay, wash your hands a lot. Make sure you carry that sanitizer in your car. If you can do it, have a little bottle on your person so you can wash your hands when you're in the store touching things, coming out the doors, I don't know. Don't talk with your mouth full. Unless it's something like this again. Give me a like, share with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. And when you do, you'll see that little notification bell will pop up. You can hit that one so you get notified each time we do a video. And also, the complete description of what we just did here today will be down in the description box. Okay, so you ain't got to go no place to look for it. Some people asked me that already. Where is it? It's a little button, that little arrow up on the right-hand corner of the screen. Okay, you hit that and it drops down. Scroll through, it says about my Facebook group. Then it gives you the recipe, and sometimes I add other things in there if it's pertinent to that video. Anyway, without further ado, my friends, stay hungry and come back when you are, and we'll give you another recipe. So for now, this is MrDan signing off, and we will see you when we see you. We're out.